Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling a washer fluid pump in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. So we're going to take these T25s out for the front grille. We're using a T25 socket, extension, and a ratchet. And I'm going to grab underneath the grille and just pull forward. There's little clips underneath. That came out kind of easy. You may have to work at it a little bit. I'm going to pull this panel off. Grab underneath and pull. We have a T25 that goes straight up and down. I'm going to use our T25 socket and extension. Get on it. And there's two more down here. We're going to pull our connector for our fog lights. You're going to push on this little tab here and then pull down. The connector will pull right out. Push down and then pull that straight out. And the driver's side is the same. On the driver's side, the wiring harness had a retainer that's attached to the bumper. You're going to pull it straight out. So we're going to take out all these T25s. There's one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, these two, and these two. Now on both sides, I'm going to grab right here and pull out. I'm going to take these last two out. I'm going to pull straight forward. You don't want a bucket or something to catch the fluid when you pull this off, but we're going to pry this little guy up with a flat blade tool. Just like that. Just so it's up and that pulls off. Do the same with the other side. Pull that one off. And grab up here the connector. Tie up on the connector and then pull. And to get the pump out, we're going to pull straight up. To install, we're going to take and line it up, push it straight down. And we're going to connect our connector until it clicks. take this hose, pop it on there, push the white tab down, that's the lock. Then connect this hose to this side, push down the black lock. For ease of installation, it's easier if you have a partner and when taking it off. So you can line it up. Install these two T25s. Now we're going to install these T25s. Next we're going to connect the fog light, well, the marker light. Push that in. Now we're going to connect the fog light. Just push it on until it's locked in. And do the same for the driver's side. All right, we're going to install this last. We're going to install this T25 going up. You're going to push on the fender. You're going to push on the bumper and make sure it lines up while you're tightening it. Put these Torx screws in. Install the cover, put it in up top, and push in. Install the grille. And line it up down below. And push, lock it into place. Install these 4 Torx screws.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.